If I told you that one single exercise could reshape your glutes, fix your posture, boost your metabolism, eliminate back pain, and improve your athletic power, would you believe it? Well, that exercise is the glute bridge. And when you do 100 every single day, your body changes in ways most people never expect. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens to your muscles, your hormones, your posture, and even your metabolism when you commit to 100 daily glute bridges. And at the end, I'll share 3 biohacking upgrades that multiply your results even faster. So stay until the end. This is Pulse Theory 360, and let's dive in. The muscle activation nobody talks about. Most people think glute bridges are just a booty exercise, and nope, they are actually one of the highest glute activation movements ever tested, even more than squats for many beginners. Here's why. The glute bridge forces your gluteus maximus to fire without your quads taking over. It wakes up your glute medius, which controls hip stability. It strengthens your glute minimus, which improves hip function and balance. Daily activation equals better mind-muscle connection, plus faster muscle growth. And when you hit 100 reps a day, your glutes don't just grow, they get rounder, firmer, and more lifted because you're engaging all 3 glute muscles consistently. Surprising core and back benefits. Most people don't realize glute bridges fix one of the biggest modern problems, anterior pelvic tilt caused by long hours of sitting. Here's what 100 daily bridges do. They pull your pelvis back into alignment. They strengthen your entire posterior chain. They reduce lower back tension that comes from weak glutes. They improve hip mobility and walking mechanics. After about 2 to 3 weeks, most people notice less lower back tightness, better sitting posture, improved walking and running form, less knee strain during workouts. Strong glutes equals stronger back plus healthier hips. Boosted metabolism and fat burning. Here's the biohacking truth. Your glutes are the largest muscle group in your body. Bigger muscles equals higher metabolism. When you work your glutes every day, you burn more calories at rest. Your insulin sensitivity improves. Your body stores less fat around the hips and stomach. Your overall energy goes up, and because glute bridges use multiple big muscles, glutes, core, hamstrings, your calorie burn stays elevated even after the workout. This is called EPOC, or afterburn effect. Athletic power and explosiveness. If you walk, run, jump, or lift weights, your glutes are the engine behind everything. Doing 100 glute bridges daily increases hip extension power, sprint speed, jump height, stability during lifting, core control balance, and rotational strength. This is why athletes train glutes daily. The stronger your glutes, the more powerful your entire body becomes. Hormonal and circulation benefits, biohacking angle. Strong glutes directly impact 1. Blood flow. Daily glute activation boosts circulation to the pelvis, hips, and lower back, which improves recovery and reduces inflammation. 2. Hormonal balance. Resistance movements, even bodyweight ones, help regulate cortisol and increase endorphins, giving you a better mood and more energy. 3. Lymphatic drainage. The rhythmic contraction from bridges helps reduce swelling and lower body fluid retention. These internal changes often show up as better sleep, less bloating, more stable energy levels, leaner lower body. What happens after 30 days? After 1 month of 100 daily glute bridges, most people notice rounder, tighter glutes, better lower body strength, flatter lower stomach, stronger back and core, Better posture, more stability in knees and hips, increased flexibility, less pain while standing, sitting, or lifting. And the best part, glute bridges are joint-friendly. No impact, no pressure on knees, no risk for beginners. How to do them correctly. Quick guide. To get maximum results, lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart. Press your lower back into the floor. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line. Squeeze your glutes. Hard at the top for 1 second. Lower slowly. Don't rush. Avoid arching your back. Correct form equals faster growth plus better results. Biohacking tips to 3x your results. Here are the 3 upgrades I promised. Biohack number 1. Add isometric holds. Hold the top of the bridge for 20 to 30 seconds after every set. This increases muscle fiber recruitment and boosts glute shape faster. Biohack number 2. Try frog bridges for outer glutes. Place the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall open. This variation hits the side glutes, giving a rounder shape. Biohack number 3. Use glute bands. A light resistance band increases activation by 30 to 40%. Great for faster strength and sculpting. If you found this helpful and you want more wellness, fitness, and biohacking tips, make sure you follow and subscribe to Pulse Theory 360, where we turn science into simple, powerful daily habits. Stay consistent, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.